Hi, this is Utkarsh Rai, leadership coach, former MD of an IT MNC, author, actor. Today I am going to talk about how to build multiple careers for secure future. If you want any topic to be discussed, please write it in the comment section and subscribe my channel. We are all going to live longer than the previous generation. Even insurance companies have started issuing policies for 100 years, that is 10 decades. So don't you think we have to work for 5 decades at least? Companies want loyal employees, but they don't guarantee job security. So how are we going to run for 5 decades with one career? Even in the movie Intern, Robert De Niro is a 70-year-old retired person. He started to feel vacuum in his life. He said to himself, I am feeling a hole in my life and I want to fill it soon. He wanted to search for a job where income is just a bonus. The rest of the movie is about how he found the job and won the trust of his CEO. So, for 5 decades of work life, we have to have multiple careers. In my book, Faster, Smarter, Higher, in the last chapter, I discussed about multiple careers. If you see our career graph, it looks more or less like a product life cycle. Product is introduced in the market, then it grows, then it matures, and then it declines. Similarly is our career graph too. So from that perspective, we all are products. Now, what companies do when they see their product is going towards the maturity phase? They start adding more features to it. They started releasing more versions to it. So that is what we professionals also do. We started to put more skills. But have you seen any product which has lasted for 5 decades? So what companies do? They started building multiple products. And some of the new products will either replace the existing one or will coexist in the market. So are you building multiple careers? Actors do. Together with their acting, they run multiple businesses. And some of them after acting become a director or a producer. Even cricketers do the same thing. They become coaches or commentators. In my own personal experience, multiple careers have given me an immense satisfaction. After quitting my job a couple of years back, I became motivational speaker, leadership coach, and then I started acting as a totally new field. I came in Bartla House as judge last year and I'm waiting for my second shoot to commence soon. But in the company, all products are not equally revenue generating one. Similarly, all the careers are not going to be financially rewarding in the same way. However, in the second and the third career, there is a lot of flexibility to experiment and try what is good for us and what is not because we already have the first career. So, there are only 2 approaches to develop multiple career. First, putting efforts in the related areas. There are a lot of startups where founders have built a startup in the similar or same domain. Even army officers after retirement are taking up jobs as admin officers in the company. And leaders are becoming consultants and coaches. Then the second approach. Efforts are being put into an unrelated activity, be it your hobby, interest, and that is why we see some of the professionals are becoming farmers, they are starting their own NGOs. One question is normally asked, is it fair to build second and third career together with the first career? It is fair. If you talk to the founders of the company, some of them will say that their original idea, brainstorming, initial prototyping were done while they were in the first job. And when they were convinced that it is the time to move out, then they go and start their own startup. So, building multiple careers is the key to have a 5 decades of work life. Or are you the one who is thinking that you are going to hit some jackpot and you don't have to work for 5 decades? Then you are wrong. It may not be for the financial gain, but for the mental occupation, you have to work for 5 decades. And that is what Robert De Niro in the movie Intern did. Mark Twain has said, there is no wrong path for the right thing. And building multiple careers for 5 decades is the right thing. So let's start today. I hope you liked my video. Do share, like, subscribe it. Thank you.